Hello my dear Avians, welcome back to my channel. Ev Kalma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. Today we are making a Filipino version Pandan jelly dessert recipe. This is yummy and so easy to do, and I hope you make them at home. And a big shout out to Mrs. Vailoces. She is one of my ever supportive friend here in YouTube. She wanted to know how to make this recipe, which she had tried in our home back in September 2020. So let's get started and follow along. So what I have here I have 3 cans of jelly. 2 are Pandan jelly, and the other one is grass jelly, coconut gel, kaong or sugar plum fruit in syrup, condensed milk. We are going to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons only, and a can of evaporated milk. So I will take you to our sink. We are going to rinse and drain these. Kaong. We are going to open this up, rinse with cold water, drain. You do not want the syrup to be part of your salad. It is too sweet. Place in the bowl. Now we are going to rinse and drain the coconut gel. Place in the same bowl. And let's go back to my kitchen counter. We are going to open all of these cans. First, it's up to you what you would like to open first. I am opening right now the evaporated milk. We are going to use all of it. 354 ml. Smells so fresh. Set aside. Condensed milk. We are not going to use them all. I am saving the rest for another ingredients or another recipe. And I'm keeping the rest in the fridge. So let's set this aside as well. So we are opening these 3 cans. We are going to use them all. Look at that. The third one. We are ready to cut them up into squares. The pandan jelly smells so good. So we are going to cut them into squares. It's up to you what the sizes are. So I'll show you how I cut them, and you can actually shred them as well if you wish. Right now it is actually November the 4th, and it's about 12:58 a.m. here in Toronto, Canada. As you can see, I am watching the 2020 US election results. Don't be afraid to be creative and decide what type of squares you want to do. So this is how I do mine. You can also shred these jelly. It's up to you. You can even do like this and easily cut them. Be careful with the knife as well. My knife is not very sharp, so be careful when you cut. See, it's easy. Do the same with the rest of the jelly. We are now adding the whole can of evaporated milk. It looks so yummy already. And then about 1 to 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. That's all you need. You may use a bigger bowl if you wish. Mix them all up. This is just nice for this recipe. And this is a party recipe, by the way, my friends. About 8 to 10 guests, depending on each serving. And chill them in the fridge. It is best to consume them cold. And our recipe is done. Isn't that easy to do? If you do not have any condensed milk, you may substitute with granulated sugar. It's up to you. About 1 to 2 tablespoons as well. Or adjust the taste. We are going to chill them in the fridge overnight and serve the next day. You may cover your bowl with a saran wrap or a cover of your choice. Look at that. We are ready to chill them in the fridge. Yum. So we are going to cover these as well and chill them in the fridge. Save them for a future dessert recipe at home. It is around 4:30 p.m. November the 4th. I made this salad around 1 a.m. while observing the American presidential counting. It's early morning, so it's about 15 hours later. So we are now going to serve this salad. Smells so good. I'm going to serve for myself and for our youngest daughter. Mix them up before serving. Yummy. Look at that. And that's for her.
Did you call me?
Yeah, I was calling you. You want me to give it to you?
I didn't hear it.
Okay.
That's a lot. Okay.
Yummy.
I don't know if I'm gonna eat all this though.
That's okay. You can give me some. Can't wait to eat them. So good. Yummy. Who wants some? The pandan jelly. The grass jelly. So good. It's not very sweet. Good to the last drop. Thank you ever so much for watching, my dear Avians. Until next time, I will see you soon. Cheers. I'll give you my bowl.
Okay.
It's for my hubby.